Hello. Welcome to the box room. Now, the other day, I got, of all things, a Vic-20. Can you imagine? Yeah. And I did test the power supply. At least, I was able to test the 5-volt side of the power supply. And that's the side that goes bad. And it was reading 5.11, which was well within good parameters. Now, in here, buried away, is a cable. Should let me notice a 5-pin. It doesn't like not being attached to things. The thing buzzes. Anyway. Alright, it's in. Now, this Vic-20 was owned by one fellow for his entire existence. It lived for the last years in a box somewhere, perhaps at the cottage, getting hot in the summer, hot in the winter, worked perfectly the last time it was used. Who knows? That might have been 10 years ago. Might have been more. He thinks maybe 10 years ago. Anyway, power supply is in. Monitor is in. Let's give it some juice. And of course, we see nothing, which is not surprising. We'll turn it off. We'll turn it on. Yes, not at all surprising that we see nothing. Well, let's see here. Nope, not that one. We'll try that again, because sometimes things take a while. But no. Okay, so power supply out. Now, another thing that I should do while I'm here is, see, just because the 5-volt side of this power supply works, it doesn't mean the other side works. So here I have a power supply that I have tested. Now, I didn't write the voltage on the end of it, but I should have, and I will from now on. So just before I go crazy and open it up, because there is still a chance, as with the power supplies, that the other side is not happening. But it's not the side that goes hot and ballistic and kills things. So, do I really think this is going to make a damn bit of difference? No, I don't. But I will give it a try. So the power is off. The power supply is in. We'll turn it on. And we see nothing. Not surprising at all. Okay, so now we'll unplug this power supply. We'll unplug the monitor thing. I don't like that buzzing. I don't like that buzzing. I wonder. You know what I can do? Oh, because this thing seems to like to buzz. And it's not connected to anything. I'll plug it into this 128, even though we're not doing anything right now with the 128. You might as well have a look inside this Vic-20. And see what there is to see. I believe the fuse is okay, because it did you know, do something over there, even though if it wasn't what we were hoping for. Okay. Ooh. Okay, it is kind of dirty, kind of dusty. I'll take off the keyboard. It does have a, I don't know, it looks like maybe it was in a room where someone was doing some spray painting or something. Or it's just dirt. Who knows? Alright. Let's have a look-see. It looks like all the chips are here. And it would seem that the fuse is okay. It is dusty. But that will not keep it from working, I think, just for fun. Because, of course, there's this cover on the Vic chip. I'll just take it off and make sure. And in fact, there is a Vic chip within here, and there is. All the chips are here. But something is not as it should be, because it didn't come up and work. So, of the major chips, 6502 is socketed, a ROM chip is socketed. All the other 4 ROM chips are not socketed. And one of the ever popular 6522 chips is socketed. The other one is not. I much prefer things being in sockets rather than not, but you know. All right. Well, I don't have another Vic-20 right handy to test this with, so I will put things back. I shall. Alright. And it's funny, I should have here a way to write down things and to keep notes on things, but I don't see that right handy. Oops. Wrong screwdriver. It's a Phillips screwdriver of moderate size. There we go. So we'll button this up even though it's not working. And this is not at all surprising, by the way. It's more surprising when they work. Because things, after they sit, things happen. So do I have my note paper or something here? And the answer is no. I do not. So what I will do is I will leave this here. By the way, if you're wondering what this is, if you watched the last video, or no, I guess it was a while ago now, a long time ago, it's SpongeBob. And it's a bunch of games about SpongeBob and a joystick. Brought out by Nickelodeon in like 2003. I never heard of it. Anyway, that's what's up on the monitor here. It is. So, I need to make notes, but I don't have paper handy. So, I will leave this here. I will unplug power supplies. They don't need to cook endlessly. They do not. And
that was easy.
I guess that's about all I have to say about that. My Vic-20 that doesn't work, but there is always hope. Anyway, I will mark this down, keep notes, tuck this aside, and get to it at some point. And I'm also going to investigate this SpongeBob joystick game thing. Never heard of it before. But very much like the Commodore 64 and a joystick. And it works pretty well. I wonder if I take it downstairs and hook it up to the big TV, if Andrew would like to play it. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, well, sorry this Vic didn't work, but oh well, it is what it is, boo-boo. That's about all I have to say today. So thanks for coming. Stay tuned. And this Vic-20, this Vic-20 was made in Canada. Used with 902 502-02 power supply only. 902 502-02. Is that what this is? I'm sure it is. I'm sure. For use with Commodore computer. Part number 251063-02. Is that what this says? Nope, not at all. But it doesn't matter. It's the same thing. Anyway, so I will turn SpongeBob off. I will turn the monitor off. Although the switch, there we go. And we'll see you again in the box room. Bye for now.